Hey guys, welcome in this course. So at the first step, we will create together a character inside Illustrator. And after this, we will try to export our character from Illustrator to Unity, because there is some specific step to make to export correctly our character to Unity. After this, inside Unity, we will make a setup, a rigging to make great animations. So we will set up our character. After this, we will make our first animation, which will be an acting. I will explain to you how work the animation settings inside Unity and how to make good animations inside Unity. After, we will create a cycle, an animation which will be a cycle. Why? It's because a cycle is really used in a lot of games. After, we will see how to mix animation and particles. And in the last section, we will understand how to work with the animator system. So in this part, we will see how to play an animation after another animation. Alright guys, so have fun and have the best day of your life! Oh yeah!